Hi, I'm Megha. Welcome back to my channel. And this is my third video, a slightly delayed video because I couldn't choose what topic I'm going to talk about. And then I thought, let me do a video on the choices we make every day from the time we open these beautiful eyes till we go off to that sleep mode. We are making thousands of decisions. Some are small, some are big, but whatever it is, it affects all the aspects of our lives. It is a mental process which shows us, is based on our approach towards life. Everything in our life is a reflection of the choices we have made so far. Those seemingly small, insignificant choices, we have made, like what time I'm going to get up, and the dress I wear, and how am I going to spend my day, my friends, and what I'm going to say today. All those decisions, is those adds up to your reality. All that is good. Yeah, our decisions adds up to our reality. But then, have you ever thought the decisions you're making are really yours? Especially in our culture, from the time we are born, our parents are deciding for us the schools, the colleges, and we go into, and marriage, maybe or maybe not. And once we get married, we are into our spouse's house. Our decisions are affected by those we are surrounded with. Then we have children, and our decisions are again, impacted. And we go to work as well, and the people around and the culture we have at work affects our decision. So, how do we know that the decisions we are making are for us? It is simply by asking yourself, are the decisions you made, are those decisions in alignment with who you are? Or are you making it out of some sacrifice, fear, or some kind of, limitations? So you need to really think about that. So, how do we know the choices we are making are the best for us? By understanding what are your core values. I recently came across my core values and I realized that whatever decisions I've made till date have somewhere down the line, been affected or filtered through, screened through those values. My values are inspiration, happiness, knowledge, learning and growth and empathy. Somewhere down the line, one or two or maybe all have been, affecting my decisions. So I was talking about in my first video about procrastination, and I really realized, procrastination is something which not many of us, even me, we don't stand for. It is not a value for us. So that's what leaves you with regret. So that's how it works. If the idea behind the whole process of filtering your decisions through the values you have is that if we live and work in alignment with who we are, our core values, then we are more likely to live a life that we are proud of, and that doesn't leave us with any kind of regret. Every decision is made out of some kind of constraint. It could be money, it could be knowledge, it could be people around us, it could be resources, etc. So, but we are not thinking about the values, as a constraint. We have these six core values, which forms me as a person, which I stand for. So let's limit it to the constraint to fit into the value part of it. Most of us don't take time to think about our values. How many of you really know about your values? Have you ever been thought about what are the things you really stand for? So I really urge you today to sit down and think about your values, because that really helps in your decisions. Our life is just a reflection of our choices. So it becomes highly important that you know your values first. So how can you do that? you can just look at the three people you're really inspired by and really look up to, and there'll be some common traits in those people which appeal to you and which attracts you. So those could be your values too. Or you can go online, there are like hundreds of tools available. You can just go into one and start figuring out what your values are. The bottom line is, life is complex, and when faced with moments when you have to make the decision, you want to feel happy about it. When you filter it through your choices, you definitely will be in a better place, of not regretting what you've chose, because the choices are not yours. You're in alignment with your values and core values, and that will make your decisions very fulfilling, which you will not regret. So if you don't know what you stand for, it's very easy for you to get off track. So go ahead, find what your true values are, let your values drive your decision. That's all I have to say today, and I think it's a very important thing that you really take that time and see what difference does it make when you let your values drive your decisions. Thank you so much for listening, and I enjoyed talking to you about it because I really wanted to share this as well. With the recent things I've gone through and the decisions I've made after that are in perfect alignment with the person I am, the values very close to my heart. So go ahead and have a happy decision making time, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have an awesome week. We'll come back with another video next week. Until then, bye bye.